Doctor's kit. Material required for this activity are some colorful sheets of paper, earbuds, cotton, Fevicol, some cutouts or drawings of a thermometer, tablet, pill, liquid syrup, a circle and an ice cream stick. We also need a red marker. Now let's begin the activity by taking a dark shade of a colorful paper, black, brown, red. I am using a brown color paper. We are now going to stick the handles of the doctor kit to it. After we are done sticking on the one side, similarly, let's stick it on the other side. After sticking the handle, it looks somewhat like a suitcase. Now, to make it special doctor suitcase, we are going to stick a circle with the plus sign or the emergency sign on it. Once a suitcase is ready, we are going to open it and stick all the things used by a doctor in it, like a thermometer. It is used to check our body temperature to see if we have fever or not. Medicines. We take the medicines when we are not feeling well. The doctor prescribes these medicines to us. Similarly, we can talk about everything we are sticking in it. We can also stick some cotton. We must try to use as many real objects as possible, as it makes it more sensorial. Let's stick some earbuds. You can stick it by putting the glue in between the two earbuds. An ice cream stick. And another bottle of syrup. Here we go, a doctor kit is ready. It's a great way to revise the community helper doctor. I hope you enjoyed making this activity. Happy learning!